Hello everyone. What you're about to learn in this video has been reviewed and approved by expert mechanics in the shop, so relax. This has a solution. The issue with the right brake light not turning on in a BMW is more common than it seems, and it almost always comes with the classic dashboard warning or the feeling that others don't know when you're braking. We've heard clients say things like, "The left works perfectly, but the right doesn't turn on at all," which gives us the first clue that a few things need checking without panicking. Following that, the first thing we always check is the bulb. Although it sounds basic, many clients are surprised when they discover it was just that. In several interviews with clients, some said, "I changed the bulb and that was it. It worked again." In the shop, we always say, before complicating things, check the simplest parts. Many times the car was just asking for a new bulb. On the other hand, if the bulb is fine and the right brake still doesn't light up, the problem may be in the connectors or rear wiring. Some clients mention the fuse was fine, but there was moisture in the connector, so it didn't turn on. We always recommend cleaning the connector well and applying a little dielectric grease to protect it. This works surprisingly well in many cases. Additionally, in newer models, the fault can come from the rear light module. We've seen clients say the shop had to reset the module for the right brake to work, which makes a lot of sense because in these BMWs, everything is electronically connected. Even the manufacturer suggests checking the module if, after changing the bulb and cleaning the connectors, the problem persists.